Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. I am really sorry for not posting videos for the last 3 days because I had a very severe pain in my neck. Now I'm completely fine and I'm back to the routine. So here it is, here's a new video. It is the Indian wedding guest makeup tutorial and I hope you'll like this video. So to know how I got this look, please continue watching. So for this look today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. So I've already applied my moisturizer and my primer, so I'm directly going in with the foundation. So I'm using my foundation brush to apply the foundation on my face. So I'm taking like one pump on this. I'm going to apply it on my face first. First applying this foundation with the brush and then I'm going with the blender. So after this I'm going in with my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes just to brighten it up. So I'm just putting like 2 dots or 3 dots. And I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my foundation and the concealer with my white translucent powder from KRYOLAN. So I'm going to take this powder brush and I'm just going to bake it under my eye. I'm using this SEPHORA eyeshadow. It is in the shade TIRAMISU in Not 86 degree. So I'm going to use this. I'm taking the shade on my fingertip and I'm just going to blend it on my complete eyelid. So now I'm going in with my golden shadow. It is a shimmer shadow. It's a golden shimmer shadow. And I'm just going to apply it from the inner corner to the mid part of my eyelid, not on the complete eyelid. So now to blend the shades that I've applied, I'm taking my brown contour powder and I'm just going to blend everything in the blend. So So now I'm done with my mascara. So I'm just taking my golden shadow again. I'm just applying on the areas where by mistakenly I've applied my mascara. That is, as if you can see, I've applied my mascara on my lid. So I'm just going to hide it with my golden eyeshadow. So as I'm done with my eyes, I am going in with my kajal. This is the MAYBELLINE Colossal Kajal. So now as I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to do my contour. So I'm again using the KRYOLAN contour cream. It is in the shade NG1, and I'm going to take my flat angled brush to apply my contour. So I'm taking this flat angled brush. To set my contour, I'm going to use my brown contour powder, and I'm taking this angled brush to apply that. So now I'm going in with my blush using this light pink shade, and I'm using my blusher brush to apply that. So I'm using this dark brown eyebrow pencil from MINISO. I'm going to apply that. For my lips today, I'm going to first line my lips with the MASCARA lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with my SEPHORA lipstick. For lipstick today, I'm going to apply my most favorite lipstick, that is the SEPHORA, and it is in the shade the red, and it's a very pretty red. Got two lipsticks from SEPHORA. One is in the purple shade, and this is in the red. So the purple one, this is that. It's my mom's favorite. final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I had fun making this video. So this is my mom's wedding sari. She wore this sari at a wedding, and in Marathi we call this as shalu. So I got this privilege to wear this sari again for my video. Also, I actually wore this neck piece. It's a very beautiful neck piece which literally matches my sari, and then I had similar jhumkas also. Then for my hair, I just did like a mid parted and I did a low bun. It's like a basic messy bun, but I made sure that my hairs are like sleek and straight when it's mid parted. And then I just wore my rings because like you can wear bangles, but now I don't have golden bangles, so I did not think of wearing them. So I just wore my rings, and yeah, that's it. Like you can play around with your makeup, you can change your lip color, your eyeshadows, like you can just match it up with your sari. So let me know what are your thoughts by commenting down, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you get updated every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.